With thousands of people getting involved in aviation, it wasn't long before the art of showing off followed.
Air shows, baby, it's all about smoke and noise. It's kind of like riding a motorcycle down a roller coaster track that you made up what the roller coaster looks like.
Good one.
It's people's first touch point to aviation, and they just go, wow, that's crazy, that's really cool.
For the passengers that come on board, we'd like to refer to it as a roller coaster ride on steroids.
When I was 8 years old, I had told myself this is what I wanted to do. And when I did it for the first time when I was 14, I knew this is what I wanted to do. To me, it seems absolutely natural to be on the outside of an airplane.
So as a little kid, I decided I have to learn how to do that. I have to figure it out, and that's what I want to do when I grow up. And with a little bit of perseverance and a lot of diligence, it worked out pretty well. Our hope is pretty much everybody that's flying at this air show is inspire some little kid, one little kid out of the whole crowd. But if one little kid can be inspired to say, I have a dream and I'm going to pursue it, then nothing's better than that.